Ensuring a safe and successful logistics operation can be really challenging. Driving while drowsy can be extremely dangerous. It's all too easy to lose focus on the road and veer off the lane, potentially causing a serious accident. That's why we've developed our Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, to help prevent these dangerous situations by alerting the driver and redirecting his attention to the road. Although drivers may be alert and cautious on the road, external factors can still result in accidents. For instance, the sudden appearance of a pedestrian crossing the road may go unnoticed by the driver due to the large blind spots of the vehicle. The Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, through the Pedestrian Collision Warning feature is able to detect and capture live video footage of such obstacles and alert the driver in real time. Together with the Driver Status Monitoring System, DSM, and Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, we are able to save lives. Watch, guard, thrive. Your trusted sentinel in innovative mobility solutions. Sentin.